Well, hello everyone and welcome to Moementum channel. My name is Mo, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you my recent stock buys in the stock market, which is specific stocks and ETFs we are buying, as well as our latest dividend income. Let's get into it. First things first, we are going to be taking a look at our Questrade account. This is an account where we have two sets of non-registered account, two margin accounts, as well as one tax-free savings account and registered retirement savings plan. Currently, the balance of this account is hovering around $104,000. All in all, this account is showing to be down by about 10%. Looking at the activities for this account, the recent activities, and if we focus mainly on our trades for the time being, you notice that recently we've bought a number of shares. More noticeably, recently we bought 4 shares of 𝗖𝐋𝐈𝖖 at the price of $26.90. We bought also a little bit earlier some additional ones at the price of $28.93. And a couple of days before that, we bought 2 shares at the price of $27.09. We also bought shares of QQQ. The TQQQ that I talked to you earlier on, it's more of a leverage accounting, leverage kind of fund, whereas QQQ just gives you the simple exposure to NASDAQ through Investco QQQ funds. We bought 1 share at the price of $301.54. We bought 1 share at the price of $305.35, and earlier on bought 1 share at the price of $297.70. We did buy 1 share of VEQT, or Vanguard All Equity ETF portfolio, for our Smith Maneuver portfolio at the price of $32.29, and bought 1 share of XDIV, or iShares Core MSCI Canadian Quality Dividend Index, at the price of $24.25. There were also 2 additional shares of VEQT that we bought earlier on at the price of $31.93. Speaking of shares that we sold, we did sell our 4 shares of HMMJ that we had left over. We also sold our shares of 𝗖𝐿. As you notice here, we had 185 shares and we sold them at the price of $3.13. We just want to get rid of these kind of low performing holdings and kind of get it out of our portfolio. If you look at our latest dividend that we've collected, we had 34 cents from RBNK, 36 cents one time here from XDIV, another $2.23 from XDIV, and another 7 cents from them. Those were the distribution dividend incomes that we had in our accounts in the months of August. Now, moving on, if you look at our portfolio with Wealthsimple Trade, we've had some major deposits to this account. We added funds to our tax-free savings account and registered retirement savings plan. We currently have a total of close to $50,000. This includes a small portion investments in crypto of around $1,300. But excluding that, we are showing still a solid 48,000 plus investments here on Wealthsimple Trade. I'm going to show you our recent activity and our recent buys here. In particular, we're going to focus, of course, on our accounts, excluding the crypto. In terms of our recent buys, you notice we did buy shares of VFV and VDY. These are our major purchases over the past week. We bought them at different prices and different quantities. You notice here the prices hover anywhere for VFV from $91.99, $92. We're talking about prices of 10 shares here at the price of $91.89. Some more shares as well here at the price of $91.89. 4 shares we bought earlier on. We did buy some shares as well at the price of $92.47. Another major buy that we've had is shares of VDY. This is a monthly dividend paying ETF from Vanguard. We bought shares at different prices, such as $42.59. We bought some shares at $42.63, different days and different prices. There were a couple of other buys, but these are not major. For instance, we bought 1 share of Bank of Nova Scotia at the price of $71.94 Canadian. We bought 1 share of QQC.F at the price of $99.05. And we did also buy some shares. If I go to some of the additional history, bought some fractional shares of Shopify and added that to our portfolio. and some shares of Bank of Nova Scotia earlier on in the week. Those were some of our major buys. As you notice, majority of our buys are in VFE and VDY. And to show you how much we've been able to grow that, I'm just going to go quickly to our tax-free savings account and hover over our holdings. We got rid of some of our holdings that we had, such as Bell Canada. We had some fractional shares. We got rid of it. We had some shares of BMO as well. We sold those shares, the fractional shares. We're trying to trim our holdings and invest most of our funds into these passive investment options, including VDY and VFE. Currently with VDY, in our tax-free savings account, we have 198 shares, slightly more than that, and it's down by about 1.9%. And we have 67 shares of VFV in our tax-free savings account, which is down by about 1.8%. But if I go back and show you our positions in our registered retirement savings plan, because these are two funds that we are growing there, you notice that we have 22 shares of VDY here and also 70 shares of VFE here. The approach that I'm taking, I'm trying to add more shares of VFE in my registered retirement savings plan and more shares of VDY in my tax-free savings account, just so that those dividend distributions that we collect are actually tax-free and we can take advantage of that in retirement days. That's really the focus. We do see still we have some funds here, and we are trying to maximize our deposits to both registered retirement savings plan and tax-free savings account as much as we are eligible to. So I'll definitely keep you posted and provide an update in the weeks ahead how this portfolio is continuing to grow and how we are maximizing our investments on this journey to financial independence. Well, thank you everyone for watching this video until this point, and I hope you found it beneficial and gained something of value from it. Are you invested in any of these ETFs or stocks that I shared with you in the video? What stocks or ETFs are you currently adding to your stock investment portfolio? I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to leave me a comment down below and share that with me. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Here on Moementum Finance, we post every week several videos about investing, including investing in dividend stocks, growth stocks, ETFs. We also talk about investing in crypto and ways to reach financial freedom. Thank you, and I hope to see you next time.